how to check profit on Robinhood. First, head to your App Store, whether it's the Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS, and download the Robinhood app. If you already have the app installed, skip to the next step. If you're a new user, you'll need to sign up and create your account. Follow the prompts to input your information and set up your account. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Upon logging in, you may be prompted to set up a PIN code for added security. Follow the instructions to create your PIN code. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the home or main screen of the Robinhood app. To check your profit, navigate to the stock detail page of the particular stock you're interested in. You can do this by searching for the stock in the app's search bar and selecting it from the search results. Once on the stock detail page, look for the earnings section. This section typically contains information about your earnings, including profits and losses. In the earnings section, you'll find details about your total profit or loss for that particular stock. This information will help you gauge the performance of your investment. If you want to check your overall profit across all your investments, you can navigate to your account settings or portfolio overview. Here you'll find comprehensive details about your investment performance, including total profits and losses. That's how you can check profit on Robinhood.